Hey guys, have you heard of web development, web design, web programming? Guess what? You are in luck. This video could be the best 5 minutes of your day today. So watch this video to the end and thank me later.
Lesson 3: Project folder and file explained.
Creating an organized project folder is crucial for efficient web development. The main project folder serves as a container for all other files and subfolders needed for the website. CSS folder contains style sheets that define the visual appearance of the website. JavaScript folder stores scripts for interactive features like animation or form validations. Images folder holds all media assets, including photos, icons, and videos. The most important file in any project is the index.html file, which acts as the home page. A well-structured project folder ensures seamless collaboration among team members and specified updates. That is for a team project in building a website. Now, we are going to show you a perfect example of a well-structured project folder. This is a project folder, Sky-based investments. Now, inside this project folder, we see the assets which contains the JavaScript of the website. Then the image folder contains all the images used in production of the site. Then in the root directory, we see the index.html file, which is the home page of a website and should always be in the root directory of the website.
Thanks for watching this video. If you'd want to be part of our tech journey, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.